Nestled along the rugged coastline of New South Wales, Cliffside stands as a harmonious blend of architecture and nature, a project brought to life by Thomas Hamel Associates in partnership with Eco Outdoor. This stunning home boasts breathtaking dual views of the rolling ocean and lush bushland, a setting that inspired a thoughtful and cohesive interior design. The essence of this design is rooted in natural colors and subtle textures, seamlessly integrating the indoors with the surrounding landscape. The flooring, sourced from Eco Outdoor, serves as an earthy foundation, perfectly mirroring the organic beauty of the rugged terrain. The site itself is adorned with Jurassic-scale boulders, an awe-inspiring natural feature that captivated interior designers Thomas Hamel and George Massar. From the moment they encountered the house, they recognized the potential for transformation, envisioning a space that would reflect their personal style while honoring the natural landscape. The boulders, in particular, became a guiding force in their design process, informing the palette and materials chosen to create a sense of natural cohesion. For Thomas and George, this project was more than just an interior redesign. It was a chance to imbue the home with their shared histories and the treasures collected throughout their lives. The design of Cliffside evolved organically, drawing on the couple's extensive travels and experiences. Custom plaster-textured wallpaper and rough-hewn wood furnishings were key elements in achieving the desired flowing, organic look. Flooring from Eco Outdoor played a crucial role in this design, with Gregorius Pinio wall coverings complementing the natural textures and contributing to a calming atmosphere. Given that the home is primarily used as a weekend retreat, it was essential that the materials chosen were not only beautiful but also practical and easy to maintain. The flooring, in particular, had to blend seamlessly with the natural interior palette while withstanding the demands of high-traffic areas. One of the standout materials chosen for the home was Eco Outdoor's Techniferma, a porcelain-based product known for its strength, durability, and natural texture. Used throughout the living room, kitchen, and bathroom, Techniferma mimics the look of natural stone while offering superior resistance to heat, moisture, and wear. In the bedroom area, the couple opted for willow wood flooring, also from Eco Outdoor. Made from French oak and hand-finished using traditional methods, willow wood exudes warmth and character, with its earthy gray patina and authentic, weathered look. Together, these flooring choices create a sense of history and refinement, enhancing the overall ambience of Cliffside and making it a true sanctuary for Thomas and George.